Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Anyway, you're here for the Fidget Cube. This is the actual Fidget Cube from Antsy Labs, like the name brand actual Fidget Cube. So let's just get it open, do a little unboxing. If I can get under here, there we go. My in view, here we go. Just gotta get it under. There we go. The piece of paper, all your information and everything, some bubble wrap, and the Fidget Cube. So it's all bubble wrapped up. Take out the bubble wrap. As you see, it says Antsy Labs. Antsy Labs Fidget Cube was made possible for all the people on Kickstarter, precisely 150,000 plus. Fidget Cube, Antsy Labs. Fidget Cube, Antsy Labs. It's like, you know, like the Switch. That's what it's supposed to look like. So, see how you open this. Tape or anything? There is tape. A little sticker. Peel off the sticker. Here we go. Get a little nice Antsy Labs, little carrying case drawstring. Take out the stand. Here it is. So you have, this is the, what do you call it? So, here's a dial. It has a nice little Fidget Cube with the little Antsy Labs. I don't know if you can hear that. Two silent and three clickers. Got the Worry Stone to breathe. The ball, little thumbstick. Yeah, there you go. Nice size. Let's compare it to a knockoff that you can just get at 7-Eleven or wherever. So on this side, the ball is loose on this one, and it's really rolling. This one's more a, this is better. I don't know how to describe it. The gears here. See how this one's moving without even touching it. Sometimes I don't even make noise. This side, this is definitely better. This is more of a glide. This is more of a Xbox. Noisy, noisy, and these two are supposed to be silent, but they're noisy. These two are silent. Worry Stone, basically the same. Now the click, I don't know if you can see how effortless this is. It's really, this one you got it. It's not good. The dial. It's more of a dial. This is more of a just spinning disc. Yeah. Plus, you can see how this one's separating. Probably take this apart. No separation on here. Just roll it back and forth if you want to be silent. But yeah, that's really it. Thank you. Have a good one.